Do you know that almost 90% of YouTubers never really grow? Sounds scary, right? But it's true. Many start with passion, but only a few survive and succeed. Today, I want to break down the dark reality of YouTube and give you 9 truths that explains why many creators quit and how you can avoid being part of this 99 and fall inside the 1% that succeed. Stay with me till the end because the last point will shock you. Point number 1. Most people start with excitement and not patient. Point number 1. Most people start with excitement, not patient. Everyone uploads their first video full of energy, but when views don't come, frustration sets in. Growth takes time, and most people can't wait. Most people have gotten the mentality that YouTube is a place whereby you put anything, it will grow, and they will just come up and start a channel. With this excitement, they forget about patience. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience. Our second point is they expect quick success. Many believe YouTube is a fast way to fame and money. But the truth is, it's a long-term game. Quick results rarely happen on YouTube. There is no YouTuber who will say, I started my channel and I monetized, I got this, Most of the people who present videos that they got monetized in 2 weeks, if you check their history behind, they are not new YouTubers. If you check them, they are not new YouTubers. They have been in the game, and so they have discovered, they have known the algorithm, how it works, how they can navigate the YouTube street. So you can't just starting your first channel and you want to achieve this result. It doesn't work like that. The number 3 point is they copy instead of creating. Instead of building their own style, many just mimic others. People come to YouTube for authenticity, not another copy. Don't go on YouTube and start copying others. If you copy others on YouTube, it won't work for you because people have already seen that type. So you have to navigate your own way. You have to bring out your own style. You have to stand out on YouTube if you want to grow. Don't copy, instead create. Number 4 point is they don't understand the algorithm. If you're starting YouTube for the first time, you will not understand the algorithm until you have stayed on YouTube. That is when you start understanding the algorithm. So you can't just come and start 1 to 3 months, you give up because you are not seeing your result. No. YouTube pushes video that keep people watching. That is the key to growth on YouTube. If your content isn't engaging or consistent, the algorithm will promote it. Number 5 is they stop too early. The average YouTuber quits after a few months because results are slow. But the ones that push through usually break through. You see, breakthrough is for someone who have pushed through. Yes, you can't just sit, you can't just come on YouTube and you think that you will have your breakthrough easily. No, you can't have your breakthrough easily. You must fight for it. You must put the work that is needed for you to achieve your breakthrough on YouTube. So, our number 6 point here is they don't improve their craft. A lot of creators, they don't learn editing, storytelling, thumbnail, or title. Without this skill, you will find it very difficult to grow, because you can't just hit record and you upload. No. You have to learn editing to make your video look perfect. And you have to learn how to speak to your camera, how to catch the people's attention. Yes. And you need to learn how to design your thumbnail and how to pick the right title that works. So, without all these skills put in place, your channel won't grow either. If you have watched this video up to this time, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I drop a content like this, it will be the first to watch. And number 7 point is they chase trends, not value. Many YouTubers jump on every trend but never build trust or value for their audience. You have to build value. Give the people value. If you're into educational content, give them value. Give them content they will love watching. If you're giving them value, you will have your views and you will have your subscribers. You will have your goal. If you're giving them value, don't just jump on trends. Every trend you see, you jump. You're confusing the algorithm. Because if that trend finally dies, your channel also dies. Number 8 is they focus only on numbers. Views and subscribers are nice, but chasing numbers without caring for people leads to burnout. Focus on serving, not just counting. Focus on serving the people. Give the people value. Serve them. And in return, you will have your views and you will have your subscribers. Remember, I promise you that the last point will be mind-blowing. So the last is they lose their why. Many YouTubers lose their reason why they started YouTube. When you're starting on YouTube, you need to have a driving focus. What cost you to start YouTube? That's your why. So the biggest reason why creators fail is forgetting why they started. Without purpose, passion fades. But when your why is strong, you will keep going even when it's hard. Even when you're studying something in school, if you don't have love for what you're doing, there is 99% that you will drop out from school. You will not finish. But if you have that driving factor, you will finish. So here is the truth. 99% of creators don't grow because they quit too soon, expect too much, or lost sight of their purpose. But if you stay consistent, improve your craft, and keep your why alive, you will be part of this 1% who makes it. If you find this helpful, subscribe to Grow with Kevin. Here I help Christians and global content creators like you to grow on YouTube with the right mindset, strategies, and engagement. Let's grow together.